What's up, everyone? This is Ryan from WitBlade, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip for your local business. If you do not have a Google business presence, you are making a huge mistake right off the bat. And what I want to do today is just show you, first of all, that that is an option for you. And once we're inside the Google Business Dashboard, if you have one active, I'm going to give you a quick tip that's really cool. It's something new. It's a new feature that Google put out that allows you to actually create a post that appears in the Google search results when somebody looks up your brand. So the first thing I want you to consider is go to google.com/business, and you should see the screen or something like it that I have here. Now, if you are logged into a Gmail account, it might be a personal Gmail, it might be a business Gmail, this might actually take you to the Google Business Dashboard. But if you've never gone through this process at all, you might have the sign-in screen like I'm seeing here. What you need to consider is that you need a Gmail to have this, but it could also be a business email. So you might have your business email under Gmail, for example, bob@bobsplumbing.com. So you need something like that as your account to actually sign into the dashboard. But if you don't have this set up, I want you to call me immediately, or at least fill out the contact form so I can give you some free advice or come in for a consultation, because this is a must-have for every local business. Let's assume that you do have a Google Business presence. What you're going to see is a dashboard that actually looks like this. So this is my dashboard that I'm looking at right now. It gives you a lot of really cool features where you can see analytics. Google gives you free advertising money. You can see some cool stats. But what I wanted to talk about today is actually the post feature that's right here. You can see there's a little new flag next to it. And this is something that's really cool. The idea is like you are posting a Facebook message in the same way you would create a status or like a Twitter post, and people that follow you on Facebook can read that. In this case, when people Google you or Google your brand, you can actually have a message that's going to appear right in the search results, which is really cool. So again, if you have a Google Business Dashboard, I'm going to show you this quick tip. Come in here and click Posts. And what we're going to do is there's just a small little window here where you can actually just write a status message. Okay, so this allows you to maybe put a special offer out there. You can, if you are hosting an event, you can actually write up in a little event listing here that's going to appear in the search results. So what we'll do is we'll just do a test post here. So call us now for internet marketing. Okay. And this message can be up to 300 words. I usually like to keep it simple, and because it's going to appear on desktop and mobile versions of search. So you want to kind of keep it short, sweet, to the point. It also allows you to add a photo, which is really important in my opinion. So we're just going to add a fun little ninja picture here, just as an example. So I might say we're internet marketing ninjas, or I might put something to try to capture your attention that sets me apart from other people that you might be Googling, competitors in the space, for example. You can create an event out of this that's going to appear in your Google listing, and you can also add call to action buttons. So maybe you're trying to get people to book an appointment or order your new book online or buy something that you're selling, and you can create a little URL. So what I'm going to do is just put the home page. You can also have a couple other calls to action here, but what I'm going to do is publish that. So there's also a preview window that's going to show you what the post is going to look like in Google. So this says, call us now for your internet marketing consultation with a picture of a ninja. I'm going to go ahead and publish that. Now, generally within about a minute, this will appear on your Google business listing. So I'm going to go ahead and Google WitBlade Conshohocken, for example. And this right here is called the knowledge graph. So this is where Google displays information about your business that most people see, with a little map, pictures, hours that you're open, etc., etc. And this view right here is actually just something you're going to see if you're logged into your Google Business Dashboard. But what's going to happen here is in a couple minutes, that message that we posted will actually appear right here. And on mobile screens, it's actually going to appear sort of like in the map area when somebody's looking up your business. So if I click refresh, see, there it is. So now there's a little check mark, which means that this is the official representation of this business. And I just put a special message here that says call now with a picture of a ninja. Like I said, this is really cool. If somebody's Googling to you and your competitor and you have a special message to them, maybe it's an offer that's happening right now, you can get a leg up on them if they're not using this feature. So this is really cool, and it's a free tip. If you want to learn how to do small little tricks like this, I'd be happy to sit down with you and do exactly what we just did right here. I'll walk you through a couple things that you absolutely need to know if you're a local business. We'll go over Google, Facebook marketing, and a few other strategies. But if you enjoyed that tip, feel free to give me a call or fill out the contact form on the next page. Thanks.